Hello, I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram bio using the IG bio bot that I have custom built inside of ChatGPT for it to generate your bio for you. Because we all know in Instagram, your bio, which is these 4 lines, you've only got 150 characters to make it sharp, short, sweet, really good to entice people to check out your content, follow you, DM you, engage with you, check out your stories, all the things. So I've created a bot called Instagram Bio Bot to help you with this task, okay? So what you'll do is you'll click on the link that I have sent you to go into ChatGPT. Now, it's something to note. If you have a free ChatGPT account, that is fine. Rather than using BioBot, I have created a prompt for you to copy and paste inside of this workbook. It's here. You just need to fill out the red text with information about your business and copy it and just highlight it, all of this, copy it, and then you'll come into ChatGPT and just start a new chat. And you'll paste it in here like this. Obviously, your version will have all this about your business, okay? And then you can chat with ChatGPT until you get your Instagram bio. So if you do have the paid plus version of ChatGPT, you can use BioBot, okay? Clicking on the link, you can also save BioBot to your sidebar like this. You can click on here and it will say add to sidebar. I already got it to my sidebar. And then you simply click here to start crafting your Instagram bio. And then it's going to prompt you. So you don't need to copy and paste that prompt in the workbook. This is going to work with you step by step to get the information out of you and to help you craft your bio. So, just follow the prompts and answer the prompts and, work with BioBot until you get your Instagram bio exactly how you like it. Some people like emojis, other people don't. So the more you put into ChatGPT and BioBot, the more you tell BioBot about your business, it's going to help it come up with your Instagram bio for you. So I just recommend answering the prompts and going through. That's how you do it. If you're using the free version, like the free prompt that I've given you, then this is where, I've even listed it here. Just keep working with ChatGPT until you have the bio that you want. Maybe it has worded things in a way that you wouldn't word them. Just remember, ChatGPT isn't perfect. It does make mistakes. And with the bio bot that I have created, I have given it specific instructions to make sure the bio is within 150 characters. And sometimes it doesn't do it. That is just the nature of ChatGPT. It even says it down here. ChatGPT can make mistakes. So check it and refine it. And this is where ChatGPT, you have to chat backwards and forwards and say, no, this doesn't work, this does work, and really give it, specific instructions. So that is a really quick, brief overview of how to use BioBot. Have a go, and I'd love to hear if it has worked for you, and tag me on Instagram and send me a DM to let me know that you have copied and pasted your bio into Instagram. So once you've finished with it and it's generated your bio, you're happy with it, come over to Instagram, click on edit profile. And this is the bio section. This is where you can copy and paste it straight into this. And I recommend, changing up your bio depending on what you're offering as your business evolves and changes, and doing this regularly. Now, just one last tip when you go to copy and paste your bio into Instagram. As you can see, I'm showing you the desktop version of Instagram. So this is showing the 3 lines. The bio bot comes up with 4 lines, and the first line is usually about you and who you help with your keywords. As you can see, it's here. I can't actually edit it on the desktop version, and I can't edit links as well. So it's really important to add your links in. So I'm going to show you how to change this first line on the mobile app. So you want to click on edit profile. And then the name section up here is where you can change it. Just remember, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Okay, so it's really important to get this right. So you only have a certain amount of characters up here. So copy and paste that from whatever ChatGPT created for you, and then you can click done on that. And you can also edit your bio here, and you can add your links. So just that's how you can update the rest of your bio. Have fun and good luck.